We have another example on the board. As we said before, the numerator is my u. The denominator is my v. Okay, in this case, b and n represent constants. So I have u is equal b minus x. So derivative of u is equal derivative of b as a constant is equal 0 minus derivative of x is equal 1. V is equal n plus x. Derivative of v, so I have derivative of constant is equal 0, derivative of x is equal 1. So u prime is equal negative 1 and v prime is equal 1. Next I'm supposed to use the formula for quotient. So I have y prime is equal v. My v is n plus x times u prime, which is equal negative 1, minus u b minus x. This is my u, times v prime. V prime is 1 over v squared. So my v is n plus x to the second power. Now let's organize the numerator. So if y prime is equal, I'm going to distribute this negative 1 into the parentheses. I'm going to have negative n, negative x, and 1 times b minus x is b minus x, so negative times b is negative b. Negative times negative will give me positive, so I have positive x over n plus x to the second power. So this is equal negative x and positive x. They are going to subtract each other, and I'm going to have negative n minus b over n plus x to the second power. I can factorize the negative sign, and I'm going to obtain negative n plus b over n plus x to the second power. And this is the solution to my problem.